Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made my reversible bonnet. Okay guys, the measurement I am doing right now is 18 inches. The reason I am doing 18 inches because I am sewing a large bonnet for my box braids. So my measurement is 18 inches. So I'm gonna be doing another measurement, just taking 1 inch, 1 inch, because that's for the elastic, and this is where the elastic gonna go. Okay guys, I am taking the last measurement, which is 22 inches for the hairband. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.